It is transported carefully to the dispatch department. The system is prepared for its journey there. Special shipping feet provide a secure grip. The device can therefore be placed on the pallet precisely and firmly. First of all, the complete system is properly polished again. The protective film is applied after this. All the necessary components are added. Careful assembly and bolting together of the shipping crate ensure maximum protection on the journey. This is followed by a scrupulous check of the load weight. Safely loaded onto the lorry and the crate is off to its destination.